Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Obapa. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this simple pineapple gel to remove that spot from your skin. So simple to make. Let's measure our ingredient. We need 20 grams of witch hazel. Witch hazel can tighten your pores, reduce acne, and remove excess oil from the skin. If you don't have witch hazel, you can use rose hydrosol, lavender hydrosol, or replace it with water. And I'm going to use pineapple. In fresh pineapple, take any quantity that you have, then you add your witch hazel to it. As I say, if you don't have the witch hazel, you can just leave it out or replace it with water or any hydrosol of your choice. Blend your pineapple very well. Pineapple too have a lot of benefits. It can exfoliate the skin, also can brighten the skin, and also lighten that spot, and it can really hydrate your skin well. So strain your pineapple juice. Very simple. This recipe is really simple for you to make. Most of the ingredient we have it in the house, so it's not something that you need to look around and shop for it. Even when you just walk into a shop, you get the ingredients to buy. And we are going to use 2 grams of lemon juice. I don't have fresh lemon there, but this lemon juice I'm using, it really works very well. It's 100% lemon juice, and they do work very well. And you know, lemon too can lighten the skin very well and remove that spot. We need 10 grams of our pineapple juice for this recipe. So as I said earlier on, the lemon can lighten that spot and brighten the skin, the same as the pineapple. And I'm going to use 0.5 grams of turmeric powder, and turmeric powder can reduce acne, lighten that spot, and brighten your skin, make your skin glow and smooth. And I don't need much, I just need a little. I'll also use 85 grams of store-bought aloe vera gel. Yeah, if I say store-bought aloe vera gel, it's not the fresh aloe vera gel we have in the house. You can use a fresh aloe vera gel we use in the house from the plant, but remember, you are not going to get the thickness of how this serum will be like. And I really like the way this serum came out. This serum really worked well. What I will do next is to add my turmeric to my aloe vera gel and stir very well for everything to combine. So you stir very well to make sure everything combines. So if you are using the house aloe vera gel, I would advise you not to make much, just make a little and see how the consistency will be, if you like it or not. If you don't like it, just find the store-bought one, because that one already have thickener in it. I will add my pineapple juice to it and stir so that everything combines. So my lemon and my pineapple juice and my witch hazel in it, and my aloe vera. You know, aloe vera can calm the skin. It's good for anti-aging. Aloe vera gel can even remove that spot. So please learn more about it. All the ingredient, you can learn more about the ingredient. So I will stir to make sure that everything has combined really well. And I'm going to add 1 grams of optiphen preservative to it. You can use any preservative of your choice. Just read the manufacturer instruction so that you know how much you need in this recipe. I'm adding preservative because it contains fresh juice, that's fresh fruit juice. That's the reason why I added the preservative, so that I can keep it long. And I'm adding 1.5 grams of lavender essential oil. You can choose to use any essential oil of your choice. Example, tea tree essential oil, rosemary essential oil, sandalwood essential oil, lavender essential oil. There's a lot of essential oil that can give you the exact benefit that we need, that can lighten that spot too. Lemon essential oil too is very good. So now we have our body gel. All you need to do is to pour into a clean sanitized bottle, and you can use it on your face and your body for skin brightening or for that spot remover. So it's very simple. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and leave me a comment. Bye bye.